You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce the name of this play by French poet and composer Adam de la Halle? Le jeu de Robin et Marion. Le jeu means the game. De means of. Robin, so it's not Robin. Robin, you could say it as Robin, Robin, not Robin. Robin. Et means and. Marion, not Marion. Marion. Le jeu de Robin et Marion. Le jeu de Robin et Marion. In English you could say it as Le jeu de Robin and Marion, or Marion. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.